So today, we will going to discuss the requirements to be complied by ships under MARPOL Annex 6, which sets strict limits on harmful emissions from ships. MARPOL Annex 6, part of the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships, MARPOL 73/78, focuses on reducing air pollution from ships. It sets specific requirements for ships to minimize emissions of harmful substances like sulfur oxides or the SOx, nitrogen oxides or the NOx, and greenhouse gases. So, requirements for ships. First is the emission control areas or the ECAs. Certain areas like the Baltic Sea, North Sea, and North American ECA have stricter emissions limits for SOx and NOx. Ships operating in these areas must use low sulfur or install exhaust gas cleaning systems or they're called scrubbers to meet the requirements. Next is the sulfur content limits. Ships operating outside ECAs must use fuel with a maximum sulfur content of 0.50%. Next is the NOx emission limits. Ships are categorized into tiers based on their construction date and engine type. Tier 1 and Tier 2 standards apply globally, while Tier 3 standards apply in NOx ECAs, requiring even lower NOx emissions. Next, the energy efficiency measures. MARPOL Annex 6 includes regulations to improve the energy efficiency of ships, and these include: first is the Energy Efficiency Design Index. This index measures the energy efficiency of new ships during design and construction. So next is the Ship Energy Efficiency Management Plan. All ships must have a SEMP that outlines measures to improve their energy efficiency during operation. Next is the Energy Efficiency Existing Ship Index. This index measures the energy efficiency of existing ships. Next is the Annual Operational Carbon Intensity Indicator. This indicator measures the ship's carbon density or CO2 emissions per unit of transport work. Ships with poor CO2 ratings must implement corrective actions to improve their performance. Next is the fuel oil availability and quality. Ship must use compliant fuel oil that meets specified standards for sulfur content, viscosity, and other properties. Fuel suppliers must provide a bunker delivery note or the BDN detailing the fuel's characteristics. Next is the surveys and certification. Ship must undergo surveys to ensure compliance with Annex 6 requirements. They must obtain an International Air Pollution Prevention or the IAPP certificate and an Engine International Air Pollution Prevention or the EIAPP certificate, which document their compliance with emission standards. So, MARPOL Annex 6 plays a crucial role in reducing air pollution from ships, protecting human health and mitigating climate change. By complying with these regulations, ships contribute to a cleaner and more sustainable maritime industry. So that's the end of our topic. We discussed the requirements to be complied by a ship under MARPOL Annex 4, 5, and 6. So see you in my next vlog. Bye!